It is believed that the cracking and popping sensation you get when you're cracking a joint is actually the formation and bursting of gas bubbles in the joint synovial fluid. But why is cracking a joint so oddly satisfying? The answer comes down to endorphins. The theory is that by cracking a joint, you have a temporary decrease in the pressure and tension of the joint. This decrease in pressure and tension leads to greater joint mobility, which can stimulate neighboring nerves. In turn, these stimulated nerves can lead to the release of endorphins, the body's feel-good hormone. Endorphins work to calm down joint pain and overall improve mood. So overall, it's a positive experience and the cycle of cracking continues.